It's all
okay, okay.
Hey, try these, Joe. You have to try these.
What is that?
Type shit.
What is that?
Ecstasy.
You gonna flash it? Oh, is it a video? Yeah, just some gummy burbs, whatever. Gummy lobster, dolphin, you know, gummy fish. You know, not that much. If you want to peep the AMG real quick.
Hey, where's the front emblem on that thing?
Alright, yeah, put it back.
It looks janky.
What's up?
Oh, what's in your hand right there? Other hand?
Hello?
What you got?
Oh, you see this? Oh, gotta go. Insanely good Trader Joe's.
Is this from Trader Joe's?
Yeah, wait, you already knew that?
I did know that.
That's fine.
Hey, we got someone pulling up.
The red one's gas. I just chewed gum, so it's like, ugh.
We got someone pulling up behind us.
Do you want one?
Take one. A little fishy.
Good boy. Dude, the green one's gas.
No, the blue one's the best one.
Blue one?
Yeah.
You didn't give me a blue one. It's green, bro.
Yeah, I know my colors.
What'd you do?
Well, this is aftermarket type vibes, you know what I mean? Hey, Mom. Yeah, I'll be right there. My bad.
I should just tape.
You should. Can we?
I got some duct tape in the.
I'm outside in the AMG. Right outside. TT. Business call. Who's this? No way. Yo, Andre's in the AMG.
The new lip. Saw the Mercedes. Oh, Merc, you know what I mean. AMG package, S-line. Yeah, you see the new whip I just got, bro? Yeah,
Oh, was that the... Yo, wait, what?
Yeah. AMG 328.
Oh, AMG 2... Oh, I didn't know they made those.
Yeah, no, brand new. 2025.
Wow.
Actually, it's 2027.
Would you mind if I asked you to, like, be your friend, or how does that work? Like, the application or whatever? Type.
Just kidding.
That was the easy?
Oh, dude, I'm just kidding.
All right, you gonna send me the email application?
Yeah, no, I'll give you a little app. Two-factor authentication.
So is this a V, like, 7 or 9 or?
Did 11.
Oh, okay. So 11 cylinders.
Yeah.
So what, like 6 and then 5 on the other?
Yeah.
Type.
Yeah. So it's like you got V, 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 and then just like a little one in the middle.
V, 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 and then gang shit, you know what I'm saying? That's so bad.
Delete this. Delete this entire clip.
What's this guy doing, bro?
Hey, just a little music video, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I'm outside in the AMG.
Took the Benz out.
Took the Benz out. Took the Benz out. I almost got hit by the Benz.
Seen you? Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey.
Ooh.
Bro was actually flying. Holy crap.
What are you doing, dude? That's vandalism. Just got exposed.
Oh, 328.
So embarrassing, bro. So embarrassing. Oh.
I'm outside in the AMG. Right outside. TT. You know, you guys know to listen to Drake, or you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god. Okay.
Keep the new whip. It's got
Okay.
BMW actually, if the AMG, you know?
Hey, what did you say? Hey, what'd you say? Yeah, I heard you were talking shit about the W05.
I mean, wait, oh, you got it back on, I see.
Dude, it looks nice now. No, that was pretty quick, right? You were right. Yeah. You were right. Yeah, I didn't catch you there.
Just like how I'm right about BMW.
Yo, this guy's just a genius, bro. He knows everything about cars. He's a good guy.
Wait, this is actually your car?
Yeah, this is my car. Yeah, not that much.
Hey, turn it on real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the sound?
Is the grill being replaced?
Jeez. This the exhaust pipes went out.
Oh my god, this thing's
violent.
Right outside, TT, two-tone baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside my right vibe. I'm outside in the AMG.
Yes.
Cardboard box.
Content.
It fits.
That's what she said. That was not that bad.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Hey,
Okay, Brandon.
okay. Yo, let's see it.
Y'all gonna go to downtown? What's up? How you doing? Type.
All you need to
Can't close this type shit. I only close Rolls Royces type shit. There, slap that in. Make sure it's closed. Yeah, there you go. Type.
Alright, get in the car, bro. Get in the car, little boy. Hey guys! I'm just kidding.
just break your neck every time.
I'm here with Brandon. I was driving to hang out at Andre's area and realized that my car ran out. I have no oil. It says minimum oil, and so I was like, oh my god, like, boys, like when I get there, I gotta go. And so I'm like, shoot, it's late. It's 11 p.m. Let's go to Walmart. They close at 11 p.m. It's 11:13. I just missed it. So I'm like, oh, we're gonna find a gas station that has 5W40, because I looked it up. It says like do not mix the oils just because the viscosity is different. And then I remember, Brandon, while we're on the highway, I have oil at home and we're like 10 minutes away, so going home real quick to grab the oil so we can continue jerking each other off. Type shit. You like that, little freak? Let's go! Got it.
Mobile 1.
Okay. Oh wait, what the hell? There's oil in it. It said there wasn't oil in it.
Not at the max yet.
Alrighty, let's get her in. Okay. Sniff it. Multitask. Get it in. It's in. Come to the back. I got it in. Mateo's gonna like that one. Alright. Thanks for watching the content, guys. I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks. Yep. Alright.
Successful. We did it. Filled up the oil.
Don't. That scared me, dude. That I don't even. You
Type shit.
Alrighty, and good as
now
gold.
we're gonna send this bitch up Highway 9.
Yo, what's good? We out here. Just ate a pound of ground beef type.
Underground beef?
Just ate a pound of ground beef.
Oh.
Oh shit, my bad.
I swear bro said underground beef.
Underground beef type. Cooking underground beef? No, but like, this was the one that had the engine thing.
Oh yeah.
So nothing.
Salvage title, pretty much.
Wait, is it? No, it is. Is it? No. Oh, because you didn't report it type.
Nah.
Did you have full coverage at the time?
No.
No. Oh.
Type shit.
I'm outside in the AMG.
We're outside.
TT. Let me get in the back, baby girl. You know me. Thanks, Pooks.
Yo, let's go there.
Yo.
Yo, back at it again. Oh.
Woo. Oh my god. Dude! What's going on here?
Stop in the middle of the road.
Dude, it's loud. It's so loud. I'm shaking because it's so cold. I notice I haven't been on camera much. Ooh, it's freezing. I'm so cold. Thanks for watching. Good night.